Hey guys, welcome back. Was just reviewing some of the accounts here and in AdWords, and I really want to hone in on some of the bids that I'm placing on these keyword terms. And last night, I got into the keyword planner and was kind of playing around a little bit. But I punched in, keywords that go with my campaign and the website and so forth. So I was looking at this, and then of course, I maxed out the page limit. I think the page limit was like 500 that you could see or whatever. So because I want everything on the same page. And another tip that I used was, you can't see it now, but if you go Control or Command F on Mac, or probably something similar to that on Windows, you could just type in what key terms you're after, and then you can sort from that. Since ketosis isn't quite a key term, it's nice to use here to filter through, some of the data. So, anyways, let's go down. I had one, and then of course you can see what's in your account as well over here. They make it nice to see that. So like signs of ketosis, that's coming in, top range page bid is 48 cents, and then top of page bid low range is 6 cents. So I saw these numbers and I was like, wow, I could, modify my site quite a bit, because I'm still on the default of where I started the campaign and basically applied $1 to everything. So I could really streamline my campaign, hopefully save some money in this process. So I was also watching a YouTube video here. Let's close out this. And they actually suggested to go in and change everything to like 1 cent. And then you'll get the recommended change from Google. So we'll go in, change max bids, set new bid. And I'll change everything up here temporarily, but it will just be a second. And then, so 1 cent, apply. And then you can see what the recommended first page bid is. So you just go in, and I'll change this to, keep this as $1 just because I am cheap. But on these other ones that are like 27 cents, go ahead and make that 28 cents. So you can maybe beat that first place bid by a cent. So I'll go through and change these. I mean, most of these are like pretty cheap. Yeah, 80 cents, 64 cents, 55, 52, 70. So I'll go and change these. I don't want to bore you in changing all of these, but just a tip to kind of save some money, because some of my bids, were running first page, constantly, and some of them just weren't getting hits at all, and I think this will really help with that. The other thing I want to do here is go ahead and kill these. I just made these up off the top of my head, and that was probably pretty dumb. I want to, in the future, use the keyword planner here and see what's popular. You kind of have to play by the rules of Google, and this is one instance where that, takes effect. So like signs of ketosis, you can see average monthly rate is 3,600. It is considered low, and then gives you the dollar amounts over here, which is nice. So in the future, I'll be playing off this, and I might add in some terms that correlate to my campaign. But for now, like I said, these were just random. They weren't playing with Google. They weren't off the keyword planner. So I will go ahead and axe these. So just remove these 3 keywords, remove. They say they're removed. We'll go down to the bottom, and sure enough, they are removed. So this is the completion of this video, just some keyword cleanup and hopefully some money savings. All right, thanks guys.